Hello everyone, here I am back with another video. I moved to my new place and just wanted to show you my scrap pile. So from down here up to the top, full with e-waste, PCs and stuff. So I think I have close to 20 PCs now, one TV, monitors, boards, all kind of boards, phones, a bit of everything. Yep. I am starting to sort out and scrap out these PCs and see what we get. I got interesting electronics. Also want to show you my workshop, my new workshop. So here is a storage, but yeah, are you ready? So my new workshop, check it out, man. So I have this 2.5 by 2 meters cabin, and this will be my workshop. I'm gonna put some isolation and build from there, workbench and so on. Currently are my tools here, so stay tuned for update on this workshop. So yeah, thank you for watching. Some land here, and again my scrap pile. So stay tuned for new updates. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, here I'm back with the update of my workshop. Yeah, it's taking shape. This is inside. So here the door, here the electric panel, just mounted yesterday. So I have automated breaker here, so if something is happening here with the power, it's gonna come down automatically. So yeah, I have used Copex cable, and I have a AC socket here, and I'm gonna mount one here. So and yeah, I just mounted my workbench, so it's coming from here and it's gonna go on this section too. I think there is gonna be my PC, and here are my tools. Of course not for scrapping, also not all are for scrapping. This workshop is gonna be electronics repair and prototyping. So I'm gonna update soon on how it's working. So I like very much this workshop. It's small and I can heat it in the winter also. I'm gonna isolate it on the outside. I'm gonna put insulation here. Yeah guys, enjoy my videos, soon to come more videos. Yeah, of course this is short videos made in one. So yeah, enjoy enjoy watching my update. So let me show you detail. So the cable is running under the table and to the socket, and here I have the workbench, one leg here. Yeah, so the workbench will be covered, I don't know, with something, and maybe some kind of rubber, I will see. Yep, here one leg, and we'll continue here. So let me show you from this corner. Entrance and workbench. Can't wait to put all my tools here and installing the PC. In the summer I have heat here, so it's hot, but yeah, this is what I have now. On this side, on this wall, I think I will have storage all the way up. Also this corner maybe, we'll see. Yeah, thank you for watching. Hello everyone, so another update, few days later. Check it out, man. Yeah, I'm pumped because this workshop is taking a good shape. Yeah, so I have here my tools. I just mounted the monitor there, and there will be my PC. So have a fan ski here. So hot here, 35-40 degrees on the sun in the summer. Yeah, trusty extinguisher. Yeah, baby, it's taking shape, man. And yeah, I have my boxes of tools and electronics parts, and I'm unboxing now. Let's see what we got in this box. Trust me, I don't know, because I have, I guess, 6, 7 here, around 10 or 20 boxes. Yeah, so electronic parts. Oh yeah, for repairs, power supply, ATX power supply jig, plug, you know, computer power supply plug here, the big connector, and I have here all the voltages, and I can check quickly the power supplies. Oh man, router. Oh, some good boards here. I forgot about them. Oh man, check this out. That's a good, come on, focus. That's a good chip there. So I'm keeping these boards till I find a good buyer, because these are more valuable than a regular motherboard. That's a power supply I made. It's adjustable and have here plugs and amps. This is going from 0 to 24 volts and 5 amps. Some tools here, let's see. Yeah, other boards that I want to keep and sell when I have a good price. Goldfingers, and a lot of chips. So this is a telecom board. I think it's the same one. Yep, lot of IC chips. Yeah, this box is out. Yeah, it's this. Clamp. One down. A lot more to go. Yeah, so guys, I will definitely make updates on my workshop. I have also scrap. I've done yesterday a pickup. So yeah, scrap is coming, and I will show you what I get in probably future videos. Yeah, so to the next update. Hello everyone, so as an update, so here is my workshop, all set up for working on electronics, repairs, scrapping, and you can see my wires and my soldering iron, PC, tool. Let's call it the tool wall. So yeah, pretty happy with my workshop. Just wanted to share with you. So I have even music, a system music, and there are speakers there, and on this side, here too. So just as an update, we'll have today something for scrap, something interesting. An old laptop, a Samsung one. Check it out. It's a vintage one. Yeah, you can ask me about it, but if you wanna know the model, it's this one. I can't really sell this one here. Also has no battery, and this chip over here is missing, and pretty sure I'm not able to find that chip, so it's gonna be a scrap one. It's gonna be for scrap. So let's see what's inside, and I hope you'll enjoy watching. Let's see what's inside and see what components we have. I'm curious about the CPU, so let's see. look at this board. Didn't expect to find this kind of board on the LCD. So don't know if it's working or not, but it's gonna be for scrap. Forgot to mention that I bought this for $1, like $1 from scrapyard. From the scrapyard I buy e-waste, so yeah, you can see in my videos that I buy e-waste from a scrapyard. I'll put a link in the description below, you can check it out. Maybe keyboard, maybe the keyboard I can sell. Here is the part number. Okay, like this. Hold on for a second. How about this? Yeah. And I'm showing you the part numbers and all. If you are from Romania and you want this, if you want this keyboard, I think it's working. I don't know. I can sell it to you. So just let me know in the comments. Look at the BIOS battery. We know that all laptops have this kind of battery, 6 volts, 120 milliamp hours. I'm curious if it has voltage on it. And the moment of truth, man. Oh yeah. Nice board. Oh yeah. But where is the CPU? I mean, I'm amazed because there is no CPU. You know, when you can remove it, or I expected at least one ceramic CPU. But that's it. So yeah, this is I think the power module. Yeah, the power input and all that. But yeah, a bit disappointed that there's no CPU. You know, maybe here was the CPU. But also if this was the CPU, there was only IC chip like this, so yeah. But nice board. I have good price for it, so yeah. let me finish up here, but first I want to show you something more exciting than this. You know, it's exciting to scrap out a laptop too, but check it out. A pickup here with only PCs, so, and all of them are vintage. And let's see, Pentium 4. Don't know much about the other ones. I will have to check them out. This one seems really old, and I hope there's a ceramic CPU. My first PC this old. Yeah, so it's a nice PC. Well, maybe I will try to power it up. Yeah. So, guys, scrapping is going on. It's scrapping is going forward. Of course, a small amount of scrap I have, because you know, I was busy with other stuff, and yeah, but last month actually I got another load of PCs and I scrapped them out. So 3 Pentium 2 processors, so 3 Pentium 2 PCs, and I got here some RAM and components from that pickup. That's a good one too. So yeah, I'm enjoying scrapping when I have the material, so to say. I'm enjoying scrapping when I have PCs, and yeah. Also, my buyer is gonna my buyer will come this week, and he will buy even my scrap steel. Let me show you my pile. So I have here scrap pile, steel pile. So yeah, there is some PC cases you see here from the last pickup, and a server case. So it was a good server. So many hard drives, boards. Yeah, I will show you what I get. You know, my material in a future video probably. So yeah, I wanna keep up these videos. If you like, please share and subscribe. So see you next time.